Greetings and welcome back to Ministry Web Designing. My name is Glenn Brooks. In today's tutorial, we want to talk about how to keep your website up to date with the latest plugins. So first thing we want to do, we want to log into your back office. So go to your admin section, the information that was provided to you when we turned the website over to you, and we need you to use your username and password. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, just wait for it to get into our back office here. Okay, great. We're here. Okay, so you will notice if there's something that's out of date, normally you'll see a red button and it'll have a number in it, and that number indicates how many updates that are needed. And if you go down here, and you could tell that basically this coincide with each other. So if there's any updates here, normally down here it'll tell you plugins and how many numbers that a plugin updates are needed. So if this is 2, normally this will be 2. Now, if there's just the overall WordPress update for a system, you probably see this number outnumber this numbers. Okay, so but we know that 1 is going to be 1 plugin. Okay, so like say for instance, if they move up to a new version of WordPress, you might see 2 up here, but yet you'll still see 1 indicating just 1 plugin, but there's 2 updates. So normally what I do, if there's that number outnumbers the number in the plugins, I usually go and we'll look here. Normally you will see something here saying WordPress version needs to be updated. Okay, and that's what you would do. You would go ahead and it'll be a button indicating for update. Just click on update. And then, but for practical purpose today, we only have 1 plugin that's due. And I'm not going to do it from this side. I want you to get used to going to your plugin section. So you click on your plugins and you notice you always see a banner here that tells you that this particular version is out of date. So only thing you need to do, 2 things I want to point out. With the new WordPress update, it has an auto updates. Okay, which I've already basically enabled all of these. So you want to make sure that this is indicating disable auto updates should be displayed at all times. But if you click on that, it will say, just like good example, it'll say enable all of it. That means that this is actually disabled. In order to enable it, if you see enable auto updates, go ahead and click on that, so that disable auto updates is displaying. Okay, so it'll do its own update for you. Okay, and that's very crucial. That's where you don't have to be logging in every time to see if there's an update or not. It automatically do it for you, and it will send you an email of that particular process being complete. Okay, but what we want to do, we want to go down. And this particular one here, normally what happens, it'll tell you that when it's going to update. So, and again, like I said, if you don't log in every day, just allow it to do its own thing. But in this case, for tutorial purposes, I want to go ahead and update this. So just click on update. And normally it's a little faster than this, but like I said, we just wait on the process here. Give it a couple more seconds. Hopefully it completes its update. Okay, there you go. You get a green check mark and you get the text indicating that it has been updated. Now, there might be a case sometime that particular plugin, it may say failed it may say failed, and it'll be like instead of a banner this way, it might be a pinkish banner. Okay. And what you need to do then, all you need to do is refresh your website. Okay. Refresh your website so that it'll reset itself. So I'm just going to reset this. I'm going to refresh my website, and this is going to disappear. The same thing will happen with the red mark. Okay, this has already been updated, so you're not going to see any indication of anything else. But if you get that red failed and with the pinkish banner across there, refresh your page. It'll go away, and then attempt to do the update again. Now, if you do that 3 or 4 times and that particular plugin does not update, all I need you to do at that point, go to ministrywebdesigning.com and go to the contact tab and just put in that information and put it in the form that a particular plugin would not update, and I'll take care of it for you. Okay, it's that simple. Other than that, that's it. It's a simple process. Just make sure that you keep your website up to date, and that's very crucial because there's patches and there's other things, that security measures, that when the program's been updated, it takes care of that, so you don't have any issues with security issues with your website. Okay, other than that, stay safe, love you guys, and God bless.